So guys, welcome to the channel. This is Hassan Badman again, and I have another video, and this one today is on the US oil. It happened on US oil, and Alchemist worked out massively on the US oil. Look at this drop here. If you're able to hold this for 1 2 3 4 days, you would be in insane mad pips. So I'm going to show you how it really happened, and this time we are on the daily time frame because most people said that they do not want the weekly time frame. It is too long for them to wait, so they wanted me to do a video on the lower time frames. So I'm going to start on the daily time frame, work my way to the 4 hour up to the 1 hour, where you can get your entries, sniper small entries, guys. So let's go without wasting time. Let's go direct to the charts. But before we reach there, guys, you have to subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 200 subscribers. So far we have reached 100 subs, guys. 100 subs in 1 month. So you're on the road on 200 subscribers, guys. Subscribe to the channel and be part of the journey. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Soon I'm going to bring new videos about how to start forex trading as beginners. So guys, subscribe to the channel. 5 seconds and then we go straight to the charts. Okay guys, I hope now you have subscribed. So let's go straight to the charts. So what do you see? You see daily time frame on US oil, daily time frame. Okay, so I'm talking about this area point around here. So I'll get the line just to mark the week that we shall be talking about. But before I mark the line, I think I should remove it and show you what is happening. So we have green candle, red candle. This is supposed to be what? Resistance. You don't see it? Go to the line chart. Bring our horizontal line and then put it there. So come back to candlesticks. So you see that is resistance. You see the precision there, because the line chart only shows you the closing prices of the candles. So this is green candle, red candle, this is resistance. And what do we want to see? We want to see the next day that rejects on this resistance here and closes as a rejection. That will give us a confirmation of the beginning of the storyline. So what do? We head to the 4 hour, or we head to one time frame below. We said we get a rejection on one time frame and then we get a creation of the storyline on one time frame below. If you get a rejection on the weekly, you get a storyline on the daily. If you get a rejection on the daily, you get a storyline on the 4 hour. Rejection on the 4 hour, get a storyline on the 1 hour. So now in this case it is the daily time frame US oil. So we get a rejection this weekday here, Wednesday 2nd April 2025, closes as a rejection on this weekly resistance. Guys, I can speak a lot, but you guys are not subscribed to the channel. You're not doing me you didn't doing me justice, guys, because I talk a lot. Okay, so now this day closed as a rejection. So what do? Let's mark it and drop to the one time frame below, which is the 4 hour. So we have marked it. So now we drop to the 4 hour. So when you come to the 4 hour, what do you see? Do we see any breakout on the 4 hour? Do you see any breakout on the 4 hour? Guys, do you see any breakout on the 4 hour? Me, I don't see anything. However, in order for the breakout to be seen clearly, I'll go to the line chart. What do you see? You see price making a high. Thing is so tight. You know, with the US oil, it is always clear cut. It is like the US 30. They're always clear. They don't have a lot of wicks. So the structure, even in a line chart, it is not always that clear. So you have a high, a low, a high, a low, and then price retraces back to up here to even make a double top. That is also another confirmation. So the storyline was created with this creation of a low. There is a low here. I know you guys don't see it, but I'll zoom it. You see, there is a high, a low, a higher high, a lower low. So price retraces back to up there to make a double top and then shoot price down. So now after price has retraced back up here, one, you see this 4-hour candle closes as a bearish engulfing candle, engulfing 1 2 3 4 green candles. So after that, me, I would enter immediately, like I always told you, the moment I see a clear sign to enter, like we did on EuroChef. I enter immediately, then stop losses, put them up here. But I know for you guys, you'll fear to enter because you'll be like, oh, now what if it goes back? This is a bearish engulfing candle breaking this structure here. I'm entering there. So you drop after the bearish engulfing candle, drop to the 1 hour to see if you can see clear and sharp entries. So when you drop to the 1 hour, what do you see? You see that this candle, the 1 hour, the break had already happened years ago. Got the line chart. This is low, high, high, low, high, lower low. This is where it happened, and then it retraced, made another lower low here. Going back, you're looking for a demand zone up here. Price came. If you put limit orders and you put them tight, this is why I always tell you, if you marked this demand zone like this, and you did not, and you put your stop losses where it's supposed to be here. And you put your stop loss as tight as this. You see, this is why I tell you, me, I don't put tight stop losses because I don't know what price can do. Price would come, hit your stop loss, go through it, and then sell off massively, and then now you'd be there seated looking at your trade the way you have planned it, going towards your direction in very many pips. Yet for you already stopped out, probably your account was blown. You don't have any money, and now it is going to your direction. So that's why I prefer two methods. One, put your stop losses slightly above. And which procedure do I use? I don't put them randomly. Let's say if my stop loss is supposed to be it's supposed to be 64, like you see there, I'm going to add 10 and round off. I'm going to add 10 and round off. So 64, it will be 74. So that is 73. That is 74. 74 there, and round off to at least 75. That is a good number. You see, even with that, you see it was tight to miss with like 2 pips, and then it turns out to come back and give me huge profits. So that will be a 1:6. And this happened on US oil, and you see how how US oil can give you huge pips is like gold and BTC. So it happened on US oil. Price came, did not hit the stop loss, and then went down. However, if you had your break on the 4-hour, you wouldn't worry about this because it would retrace. When it broke here, that is now when you confirmed and entered. So my entry would be here. Stop losses go below this week because that is the last high that price reached. So it go below this week, and then I target the next support level, which is this one. When it comes, move your stop losses above break even, secure in something, and then hold the rest up to there. You'd make, I think you'd make in total a 1:2. If you stretch this to here, a 1:5 according to the stop loss I had, a 1:5. But that 5, it will be around 1,000 pips on US oil. So guys, I hope that has been so helpful. It has been simple and straight to the point. Wait for, it is the same thing. It's the same thing over all the time frames. Wait for a rejection on the daily, and then go to the 4-hour to look for a breakout. See anything that can lead you to entering a trade. The bearish engulfing candle would be good. The engulfing candle is always good for entry. An engulfing candle, or there is a breakout, or there is a demand zone, break and retest, anything that can lead you for entries on the 4-hour. If you can't get on the 4-hour, go to the 1-hour. But 1-hour will always happen earlier. By the time you get this bearish engulfing 4-hour candle, those are around 4 candles on the 1-hour. So if you go to the 1-hour, you'd have to go early. But I wouldn't want you to go early because I want you to always do the right thing. Follow the process the way it is, and you're going to be making money. This strategy is going to make you good money. Just take your time and learn it slowly by slowly. That is all for today, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you have learned something from the video. Also, like or comment. Okay, guys. Thank you for today. That is all. Bye.